In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy skins in League of Legends. Whether you're eyeing a brand new release or something you've had your heart set on for a while, I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way so you can get exactly what you want. Start by opening your League of Legends client and logging in. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see an icon that looks like a stack of coins. That's the store. Click it to enter the place where all purchasable content lives, including champions, bundles, and of course, skins. When the store opens, you'll land on a page that showcases featured items. This is a great spot to see what's new or trending, and you'll often find recently released skins highlighted here. But to focus specifically on skins, head to the top of the store window and click the Skins tab. This brings you into the dedicated section for browsing the entire skin catalog. On this page, you'll notice a search bar on the left, along with filters you can use to narrow things down. These tools are super helpful if you already have a champion or theme in mind. Type the champion's name to see all skins available for them, or use filters to sort by things like price range or general categories. This saves a lot of time and helps you find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. As you browse, click on any skin that catches your eye. This opens a detailed view where you can see the splash art and learn more about the skin. Take a moment here to make sure it's for the right champion and that it's the style you want. If you're seeking something specific, like a particular series or tone, the preview image and description will help you confirm you've found the right fit. Once you've decided, look for the RP price displayed on the skins page. That price tag isn't just information, it's the purchase button. Simply click the RP amount to buy the skin. As long as you have enough RP on your account, that's all you need to do. The process is quick and straightforward, and you won't be bounced around to other menus. And that's it. Log in, open the store via the stacked coins icon, go to the Skins tab, browse or search with filters, pick the skin you want, and click the RP price to purchase. Enjoy your new look on the Rift, and have fun showing it off in your next match.